是中午12点了，你看这个天气，那个云层越来越厚，看来又是要下雨了。我们现在要离开临宁，下一站呢会往登嘉楼去。再见。
Of dreams sit across from me in her rolled up sleeves and dimpled cheeks as she laughs. I ask when she'll be back. She leaves tomorrow.
我的油灯已经亮了，现在停在这边这个杂货店，问看他们有没有卖油。这边当地人是讲说，一些杂货店啊，或者是修车店，他们都会有卖罐装的汽油。你们理解的 ？OK。哇。OK。Terima kasih.
Good $5. You got cash? Cash is inside.
Okay.
$5?
Okay. Oh, ini macam ah.
Ya, ya.
Wah, ini tong semua minyak lah. 都是在这边加油了。
In her rolled up sleeves and dimpled cheeks as she laughs. I ask when she'll be back. She leaves tomorrow at 10 and won't be back again for some time. I see the cross.
油站 Before to highway 先来加个油吧。
But she don't know how I think of her, and now she's getting up to leave, 'cause it's over.
Kali ya? Steady ya.
Sini pergi itu pantai Magnet, betul tak?
Oh, Magnet. Ini straight, nanti ada susu sebelah kiri, masuk kiri.
Oh, okey.
Okey, hati-hati.
Thank you ah.
She was getting in a corner, leaving now. I have a feeling that our first goodbye will be our last. And there's no way she's coming back. 'Cause our first goodbye will be, she's at liberty to earn a business degree, just a road trip away, but her heart's in a different place. Turn back time, maybe I could change a line or two.
黄鸭的风大，晒一下。
Down. Put down. Press hard. Press hard. Okay.
Thank you。现在是2点了，我们到了Pantai Teluk Magni。哇，看一下。海水正蓝啊，它还不是正蓝，是粉浅浅的蓝，然后又有带一点绿，哇，这个颜色很像薄荷的那个绿，哇，我喜欢。然后这个海滩，哇，你看那个树，好美啊！太阳，真的是下雨会怕了。去走一下这个海滩。哦，好多人啊！这个地方，来到这间滨海咖啡馆，哇，好多人啊！哇，这咖啡馆的 energy 很好哎。滨海咖啡馆，它这边出名的是咖啡，然后来到登嘉楼当然是要叫 Lego 了 ，Lego， 还有这个海滨的出名的咖啡和牛肉面，哇，这个酱看起来很好料哎。Smells so good. And look at the color. Oh my god. Must be cooked for many hours.
What a damn shot.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, got
I
it.
think this sauce is also better.
Lost.
No.
Now you eat first. Move your coffee. Move your coffee.
Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion. All that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Tested by the potion. Loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I get on the road. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up, where I'm going. Stay
现在5点15分，我们要往那个软道反江的方向去。今天晚上应该是会住在那边，从这边去那边大概50个 click。好 ，Let's go。行啊！现在是7点，我们在Pantai Teluk Bidara刚刚 check in 了这个 resort， 噔噔 ，The Retreat Tanjung Jara， 这个 resort 非常推荐，带大家来看一下，来看看我们的房间，这个是楼下的。哇！蛮新的耶！哇！哦！厕所，看一下厕所。咦，好新哎，好干净。然后我们的房间是 pool view。那个pool一开门就是直接跳进去游泳池里面，哇！这个是楼上 pool view， 然后这一栋它的外面呢是对海的，但是因为现在是 monsoon， 所以他们其实那个 balcony 那边是用那个黑色的布遮盖着。这边的 monsoon是一直到3月份。来看一下，哇！这个让我想起沙巴的Kudat Tips of Borneo， 它也是这样，那个 resort 是对着海，然后这个海好像 private beach 这样，没有什么人的。然后我们把 bike 停进来这边，停进来它的compound，这个就是楼上 sea view， 但是现在暂时用布盖着。哇哦！